What's up, guys, and welcome back to Rougefx. Today we are going to be going over our newly improved and, of course, updated Roguefx subscription-based membership plan. Today we will be talking about plans as well as, or different plans that are available, as well as pricing. We will be talking about one-on-one mentoring rates, as well as all of the information that you will be gaining access to, not even to mention the endless amount of knowledge you will definitely be growing more and more accustomed to, right? And that's the beauty of this trading strategy. That's the beauty of how I trade, how I teach, and how I instruct my mentees is everything that I'm teaching you. It's very much routine based. It's very much replicable, if that makes sense. So at that point, you can definitely see the limitless opportunity within these markets and obviously definitely take advantage of the many manipulations that have occurred, will occur, and are occurring on the daily, weekly, yearly, monthly basis. Of course, you will gain access to our private Forex trading community. You will have access to endless trading content that is obviously being uploaded, updated on the absolute regularly. This will be obviously referring back to our YouTube channel, or well, this YouTube channel, right? Again, I do prefer this way of distributing my knowledge, right? Because if I obviously use the domain, there is a limited amount of space available or data available that I can use. And as soon as that's used up, obviously there's no more uploading. So if I put it on YouTube, it's available for everyone. Those who work hard will definitely reap their rewards. Those who obviously BS or are very much lackluster or are very much trying to, I guess, trade as a hobby, it's not, it doesn't work like that, guys. I do apologize. However, I'm very much not sorry. This industry is very much a business. Industry is very much respectable and will grow to be respectable as this knowledge is very much distributed throughout the industry. You will gain exclusive access again to our Forex trading community. This will be a healthy, positive community. We will do nothing but uplift and encourage ourselves and, of course, the individuals that are obviously residing within the mentorship, or I should say membership, really. I call it a membership because, like, imagine if you were using, in a sense, Apple Music as a subscription-based membership. Obviously, you're using them to, obviously listen to music. Well, you have that free will. You have that option to listen to music. You don't have to listen to music. Just as the same with this, you have the option to learn. You have the option to obviously get better and improve your skill set every day. However, will you obviously be accountable? Will you stand up for yourself when no one is around? Will you obviously take it upon yourself to obviously improve on the daily basis, on the weekly basis, on the weekends, on the monthly basis? Obviously, nothing that you put out into this universe is going unrewarded. It's not going unnoticed. That's the law of karma. What you put out into the universe, whether good or bad, will definitely make its way back to you. So again, I can't make you get on these calls. I can't make you be accountable and note down or jot down your losses. I can't make you obviously get Notion and be very much organized with your overall business, right? Because this is a business, and what you won't do, another person will do. And that is the difference between the 99% who do not make it in this industry and the 1% that definitely do. You will gain access to different types of Zoom calls, of course, whether that be for educational purposes or psychological purposes, or maybe even risk management. It's all very much here to help you gain a higher perspective, a higher understanding, a higher degree of balance within your life so you can obviously balance out your overall trading career and obviously have time to spend with your family, have time to, do this, that, and the third. I definitely offer the most simplistic trading approach there is in the industry out right now. So understand that it is very much possible to acquire profitability. However, it's a two way lane, right? This is a two-way street. I cannot do it for you. You have to meet me halfway, and then some, of course, because this is, again, your career. This is I'm not going to tell you when to take profit. I'm not going to tell you when to this, that, and a third. This is something you're going to learn through experience over the time, and that's the beauty of it, because at that point your strategy, your approach, it becomes yours. At that point, you can use it at your disposal. And yeah, you're a Forex trader. Congratulations, right? Moving on to the membership plans as well as pricing or fees, we offer anywhere from a lifetime plan to yearly, monthly, and even bi weekly, ranging from $999 to yearly being $750, as well as monthly and bi weekly being well over $130 to obviously 70 US dollars. Our membership will officially launch January 1st of 2023. However, these prices will be set in stone as soon as this video drops. As soon as I obviously put it out to the public, these will be the official prices as well as plans. Obviously, don't necessarily pay attention to anything in the past that talks about, basic, premium, rogue. It's all at this point the same thing, and it's just to make a more of a straightforward kind of approach. I know a lot of people had questions, the differences between the plans. There's no differences between any kind of plans at this point anymore. You will be receiving the same information, the same knowledge, the same this, that, and the third. I promise you. Just take the leap and understand that you're going to have to work. It's going to take those months, weeks, year. It really just depends on your experience overall. However, understand it's going to take its time, and you practicing that delayed gratification, and putting in the work right now, so eventually you can obviously reap the fruits of your labor, and understand that it will pay off eventually. It has no choice to, especially when you work as hard as you feel like you need to, right? Our one-on-one mentorship opportunities will be, again, of course, $30 per 3-hour private session, right? Sessions will be educational purposes only, whether that be based off of risk management, psychology, and of course, Forex education in general. However, this is pretty much like exclusive information. It's not general information. I want to emphasize that so you can understand the absolute opportunity within this channel, of course, and obviously the subscription based membership. You will learn to become accustomed to the Forex trader's lifestyle, right? We offer tips and tricks on how to enhance your Forex journey to ensure that you stay on the right track, that you don't drift off, or that you don't necessarily become stagnant, right? That you continue to become or bring that enthusiastic mindset to your journey, right? Because this is definitely a journey and it's going to take time. However, in due time, you will develop, in due time, you will see results, and in due time, you will acquire profitability. You will have access to endless trading content. I ensure that only because, I mean, it's me, right? I will be posting on the channel, if not daily, very much consistently, a couple times a week, if any, right? If that, right? I will post chart markups. I will post weekly recaps. I will post maybe even Zoom calls that we do have, obviously, inside the mentorship, obviously, excluding the absolute, well, maybe I won't exclude the top tier information. I'm not even too sure for real. However, as you know, there are times where I just can't stop talking, and of course, information just kind of just pops out of nowhere. And if you are, there at the right time, you carry the right mindset as well as experience, you can definitely benefit. And who knows, that might be the difference between a breakthrough and, not necessarily having a breakthrough. And that's why and that's why it is important to stay updated on all our information, on all our education that we do put out, because it is very much vital and it's very much relevant, because I am obviously coming from the charts themselves. I am obviously in a sense, I am literally breaking down the charts themselves, so you understand what's happening, and you can obviously retain this information, and talk to yourself and help yourself kind of get what's going on within price. Within these 3-hour mentorship call opportunities, obviously being one on one. The available topics of discussion will be obviously risk management, market structure, pattern recognition, psychology, range cycles, liquidity inducement, order flow, targets, obviously to stops, Quasimodos, as well as fractals. A lot of people are very much interested in locating or figuring out how to locate ranges. I can definitely help you with that. Ranges are literally everywhere. I can help you see. However, you need to take the leap, right? You need to understand that maybe, there's not so much that you know to the point to where you don't necessarily need help, right? Because if you're not profitable, you're not in that spectrum of, balance that is, required. And if you haven't, acquired that balance, there is an issue, and that is definitely an issue I can help you with if you allow me to help you. And if you are coachable, you are teachable, and you are understanding of what this membership offers, right? I hope you guys enjoyed this call. If you did, definitely hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, because we do aim to post definitely consistently, especially when it comes to Forex knowledge, value, as well as charts. Here at Roguefx, we offer minimum risk, maximum reward, opportunities, setups, however case you want to call it. I just need your trust. I need your, I bring that fire, bring that passion, bring that enthusiasm, bring that positive energy. There was a time where everyone needed somebody to understand what an order block was, or what a breaker was, or what a QM was, or this, that, and the third was. Well, I'm here to bring, a lot of the missing pieces that, a lot of people are kind of misconstrued. Everybody's thinking holy grail, and there is no holy grail. There is only one way to learn how to trade, especially at a professional level, right? With obviously, we are obviously working with probabilities, but just understanding that it is minimum risk, maximum reward. So with that being said, understand, yeah, you're going to make mistakes. You're going to put your entry in too early and then get wiped out. You're going to put your entry too, late, or you're going to miss a few opportunities, and a lot of times you're going to get blown through. It's a part of the process. Your subconscious knows what it's doing. Your heart, your spirit leading you in this direction is understanding at a higher level, at a higher self level, what it's, leading you towards. Even if it's, in a bask of uncertainty, understand that nothing happens for absolutely no reason, right? And when you understand that, you understand that energy put out, good or bad, it will definitely come back. And in a miraculous way, obviously, or a detrimental way if you put it out bad energy. And that's just understanding the law of the universe. This is literally a study about life at this point, right? This has been Roguefx subscription-based membership plan. I do appreciate your time, energy, and attention. As soon as this video drops, understand that these will be our prices for, like from then on, however, if you did take advantage of or if you were able to take advantage of our latest pricing, there is obviously a price difference on a bit of the plans. However, if you did already secure your spot, you can definitely hold what you have. I can definitely grandfather you in. So at that point, for example, monthly is now 130. If you are already in the mentorship or membership at this case, at the 120 price, you can hold on to that 120 price. All power to you. I do appreciate the trust. I do appreciate the love, the light. I appreciate, just being able to impact this industry in such a way. I am looking forward to meeting every single one of you. Until next time on Jody FX, many blessings, and again, thank you for watching.